The title of the Adaptive Management Plan is Implementation of an Updated Florida Black Bear Response Policy for Managing Human Bear Encounters. This is for Class EVSP 501, Environmental Management through American Public University. The topic is Actions and Strategies for an Adaptive Management Plan for Response to Human Bear Encounters in Florida. The vision statement is helping foster coexistence between Florida black bears and people within an increasingly urban landscape by replacing fear and ignorance with tolerance, appreciation, and respect. The current human-bear conflict response document guiding action for staff and contractors of the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, or FWC, lacks elements of an adaptive management plan. This is in contrast to FWC's 2012 Bear Management Plan, which has elements of adaptive management including goals, objectives, strategies, and actions to be accomplished within a certain time frame and monitored over time. The addition of elements of adaptive management and a policy designed to guide actions pertaining to human-bear encounters is important. As information is gathered and our understanding deepened, it is crucial that this be reflected in a policy designed to guide actions for human-bear encounters. The purpose of the plan is to prevent human-bear conflicts and to mitigate human-bear encounters, thus decreasing agency-caused bear mortality. The number one cause of human-bear conflict is unsecured attractants, so it makes sense to start there. Bear-wise ordinances should be implemented in neighborhoods and businesses within bear range. There is a need for these ordinances to be enforced. Most frequently, they are not enforced and people are not compelled to secure their attractants. It is well known that bears prefer natural over human food sources. When natural foods are scarce, human-bear conflicts increase. It is possible that securing attractants may not be sufficient during poor mast years, and bears may go looking for food in neighborhoods where they remember having gotten food before. In this case, a potential very useful alternative strategy to mitigate human-bear conflict involves habitat management. For example, the removal of fruit trees and shrubs from high human activity areas is a useful strategy to deter bears from places where they are unwelcome. Habitat augmentation in the woods outside developed areas can also be an effective strategy to keep bears in the woods during natural food shortages. Preferably native species of berry or nut-producing trees or shrubs could be planted in strategic locations. Measures of success for these alternative actions include a decrease in bear sightings, which would translate to decreased bear calls, site visits by bear response agents, and the number of agency-killed bears. The following references were used in this presentation.